Hey guys, it's Millie Susan here, and I'm back again with a new amazing video just for you guys. And as you can see, I'm gonna show you how to make a thin pancakes in an easy way. So if you're new to this channel, kindly consider to subscribe, join this amazing family, share my videos, comment, and don't forget to put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Na kama umesubscribe na umerudi tena, nasema asante sana. So let's do this guys. As always, when you're in the kitchen, you have to first wash your hands. And so you can see I have the clean hands with me. And I'm ready to take you through my today's video. So I have this big bowl with a kamwiko. And so I'm gonna go ahead and pour my flour, and in this case I used self-raising flour. You can use the normal flour with a pinch of baking powder. Okay, you can see I have 1 tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of salt. So go ahead and mix everything together like so. After the mixture is ready, go ahead and add your milk bit by bit until you get the consistency. I used 1 egg. You can use 2, 3. Add milk and whisk that until you get rid of all lumps. After that, you can see the results. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my cooking oil. You can use margarine, melt it and then use it. So mix everything together like so. After I'm done with doing my mixture, so it's time to go ahead and make my pancakes. And as you can see, I'm greasing my pan with cooking oil. And go ahead and add my paste and cook my pancake. After one side is done, flip the pancake and let the other side cook. So I'm done with my first pancake, and that's how it looks. Do so until you are done making your pancakes. Guys, you can also check my fluffy pancakes. Check on my videos. The recipe is there. So do the process until you are done with making your pancakes. And just like that guys, we have our pancakes ready to be served. You can serve this with some hot chai and enjoy your snack. Okay, subscribe if you haven't, share my videos, like, comment as always, and put your notifications bells so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And until on my next video guys, I will see you all very soon. I love you all. Bye bye.